I know you are passionate about dehumidifier. Do you? In this video, I will share with you some awesome best whole house dehumidifier with the best reviews on Amazon. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Number 1. Aprilaire 1850 Whole House Dehumidifier. The Aprilaire 1850 Whole House Dehumidifier tops our list as the best whole home dehumidifier that can protect your home from mold damage and harmful allergens. In the industry of indoor air improvement since 1938, Aprilaire has built a solid reputation for delivering the best quality of indoor air control. The company introduced the first whole house humidifier in 1954 and since then has expanded its products to cover ventilation systems and air purifiers. This dehumidifier is a high-capacity solution to humidity control as it can remove up to 95 pints of moisture every 24 hours. It also comes with a continuous drainage function for emptying the water tank hassle-free. Installed as part of your household's HVAC system, this machine has a 2.89 Energy Star rating and a 5-year warranty. What we liked: helps reduce whole house humidity levels effectively. Minimal noise output. High moisture removal capacity. What we didn't like: bulky overall build. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 2. Honeywell DR90A3000 Trudri DR90 Whole House Dehumidifier. Honeywell is one of the most trusted brands in the air quality control industry. It has been in existence since 1885. This Fortune 500 company continues to rake in billions in yearly turnovers. The Honeywell Whole House Dehumidifier is an energy-efficient and yet high-performing machine. It can remove up to 90 pints of water a day and fits snugly in hard-to-reach areas such as basements, attics and other crawl spaces. This dehumidifier can reach peak performance without causing a blimp in your electric bills. Its coils are coated with anti-corrosion paint, which means it should last longer compared to other dehumidifiers. What we liked: large capacity, energy efficient, able to connect to central cooling systems. What we didn't like: warranty only applicable if unit is installed by certified contractors. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 3. Friedrich 70 Pint Dehumidifier with built-in drain pump, D70 BPA. Another dehumidifier excellent for crawlspace areas, the Friedrich D70 BPA can dry up to 70 pints of moisture each day. Equipped with a high-powered built-in drain pump, water can be pumped even up to 15 feet away from the plumbing system. Plus, this product has 2 fan speeds and an auto restart function working in case of an electric outage. Another important aspect of this machine is its auto defrost mode, which allows it to withstand colder temperatures. In fact, the Friedrich D70 BPA can function in temperatures as low as 41 degrees Fahrenheit. Its digital display uses LED buttons on the unit's front. The digital inlet allows users to control humidity level settings between 90% and 30%, adjusting in increments of 5%. What we liked: portable and easy to stow. Minimal noise output. Comes with built-in hygrometer. What we didn't like: no auto defrost mode. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 4. Frigidaire FAD704DWD 70 Pint Dehumidifier with built-in pump. The Frigidaire FAD704DWD is one of the highly popular brands available in the market today. Best used in spaces where you and your family spend the most time together, the Frigidaire 70 Pint humidity control machine has some of the most excellent whole house dehumidifier reviews. Additionally, this dehumidifier is known for being one of the quietest air systems ever been tested. Despite its relatively smaller size, the Frigidaire dehumidifier offers a large water tank capacity compared to its full-sized counterparts. What's more, this dehumidifier has a built-in digital humidistat. While its hygrometer is not 100% accurate compared to more expensive alternatives, the Frigidaire allows humidity adjustments in 5% interval increments. What we liked: comes with built-in hygrometer, minimal noise output, portable and easy to stow. What we didn't like: no auto defrost mode. Hygrometer is not 100% accurate. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description. Number 5. Dri-Eaz F413 Revolution LGR Whole House Dehumidifier, 12.5 inches. Perhaps one of the lightest portable whole house dehumidifiers available, the Dri-Eaz F413 Revolution can fit in crawl spaces or basements, kitchens and bathrooms. The Dri-Eaz F413 is one of the more advanced air control tools in the market. It has an optimal reach of up to 2,000 square feet moisture removal while sporting half the size of its sister dehumidifier, the Dri-Eaz Evolution. The Dri-Eaz F413 is a perfect solution for restoration tasks, eliminating moisture of 81 pints per day under AHAM problems while reaching up to 134 pints per day in saturated conditions. Thus, this product is great for small to medium-sized homes with no central air ducting. Lastly, the system comes with an automatic humidistat and a digital control panel to adjust room humidity levels. This dehumidifier may not work best for the whole house, but it is our top choice when it comes to dehumidifying crawl spaces. What we liked: large capacity, can cover up to 7,000 square feet, digital temperature display, easy to transport. What we didn't like: water disposal issues, reported water leaks, only works in temperatures above 70 degrees Fahrenheit, not Energy Star rated. This product has a good review on Amazon.com. Don't worry about quality. If you want to buy this product, link in the description.